A wide range of technical analysis techniques exist, but regardless of which ones you choose to apply, it's important to understand core ideas to better understand the advantages and disadvantages of this analysis approach. So whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced trader and investor, a series of detailed chart case studies will be useful in developing and refining essential charting skills. This will involve simple yet effective elements of chart analysis, such as price action, volume, swing points, support and resistance, trend lines, and channels, all of which form a solid foundation to more effectively analyze charts and allow for a better grasp of more advanced topics in technical analysis. But before beginning the chart case studies, there will be outlines of important definitions and discussions about certain limitations and advantages of technical analysis as an approach. So, welcome aboard, and let's begin.